Hey guys, it's our WOD breakdown for the day. We have 10 minutes of rolling as we always do. Then we're going to go into 4 minutes of cardio. After that, we're going to go into that pec stretch. You're going to put your hand up against something, a door jamb, a rig pull. You're going to rotate your armpit up and then turn your torso away. You're going to get a stretch throughout the bicep, pec minor, pec major. Hold that for 30 seconds, then switch to the other side. Then you're going to grab a PVC pipe or a broom handle, a wooden dowel, whatever you've got. You're going to place that on your back, and what we're going to do is a PVC Good Morning. So with your bar on your back, you're going to drive your hips backwards, your knees are barely bent, and your hips go so far back that you almost fall. So drive it backwards, you'll get a big stretch in the hamstring here. Head and chest stay up, that's real important. Then you're going to squeeze your glutes and stand up. Drive it back and stretch, squeeze the glutes, and stand up. You're going to repeat that for 8 reps. Then you're going to take a single dumbbell, or you can do both dumbbells at the same time, and you're going to do a little bit of shoulder press just to open up that overhead position, because we've got some snatch work to do today. So for your EMOM, you're going to need a single dumbbell, and you're going to do 4 snatches on each arm every 60 seconds for 9 rounds. So you're going to take that single dumbbell from the ground all the way up and overhead in one motion. Back to the ground, all the way up and overhead in one motion. You'll do 4 reps on this side, 4 reps on the other side. Like I said, you'll do that every minute for 9 rounds. Then we jump into the main workout. The main workout today is 4 rounds. What you're going to start with is 70 jump rope. So get you a jump rope, do 70 reps. Or you can do those little line hops where you hop side to side or hop back and forth would be even better. 70 of those. Then you're going to grab a barbell. So if you have a barbell, use it. If you don't, hold your dumbbells as if you have a barbell. So your palms are up, and you're going to curl all the way up, all the way down. You're going to stand up nice and tall. Your arms are going to stay at your side. You're only bending at the elbow. We're not doing this thing. No swinging. Stand tall. Don't move your body. Straighten your arms at the bottom. Curl it up. Repeat that for your 12 reps. After you finish 12, you're then going to run 400 meters. 400 meters for the average person is going to be somewhere around 2 minutes. Then you're going to come back in. You do a whole nother round, jump rope, curl, run. You got 4 rounds of that for time. Once you finish your last 400 meters, you check the clock. That's your score for the day. You guys have a good one. Enjoy being outside. We'll catch you on the next one.